triangle pattern. To have a good start in the market, at first the knowledge of three triangle pattern will be sufficient for us to give a good start. Okay, so what are the three types? The three types are symmetrical triangle, ascending triangle, and descending triangle. So symmetrical triangle will be something like this. When we'll get to see lower highs. See, market made a high here, went down, made a high again, but this high is lower than this high. So this is a symmetrical triangle. Market came down again, but market did not come down to this level. Market made a lower high. Market went up again. Market did not cross the previous high, made a lower high again. And see, market did not come down to this level or this level also. Whenever you will see a formation like this, then it is a symmetrical triangle pattern. And whenever there will be a symmetrical triangle pattern, just do one thing. Just connect the dots or the highs and lows like this with the help of lines and wait for a breakout. If you can see on the screen that, see, after waiting for some time, market broke this particular line and gave a breakout. So usually it happens like this only. Whenever market will form a symmetrical triangle pattern, it will give you a breakout either in this direction or in this direction. And whichever direction market gives a breakout, you just need to go along. That's it. Whereas in the ascending triangle pattern, we will see a straight resistance in the market. Market will come down, will not break the previous low, will make a higher low. Again, market will go up, but it will not breach the previous resistance, and it will not make a lower high also, it will make a higher low. See, this is a straight line above, which is a big resistance, and see, this is a trend line. Market is the support is falling on a trend line, and this is a resistance. This is happening because, see, resistance is there, but that doesn't mean that market will fall. If you see here in this trend line, you'll see that though there is a resistance, but the market is not breaking the previous lows. So there is a high chance that the buyers are still present and they are quite motivated to take the market upward. And usually it is seen that in ascending triangle patterns, market breaches the resistance and goes up. And whenever there is a breakout in ascending triangle pattern, this should be the entry point. Descending triangle pattern is just the opposite of ascending triangle pattern. In a falling market or a downtrend market, whenever there will be a straight line as support, and market will be forming higher lows, lower lows, and it will gives a breakout. So the entry point will be somewhere around here. We need to short the market somewhere around here whenever market will give us a breakout in the downward direction. So let's try to understand these three triangle patterns with the help of chart. So this is a symmetrical triangle formation in front of us. See, market was in uptrend, and after that, see, we got a symmetrical triangle formation. And whenever we'll get a symmetrical triangle formation, we just need to draw a line and need to wait. We just need to draw a line and need to wait. Whenever there will be a breakup, we need to execute a trade in that direction. In this scenario, market gave us a breakout in the upward direction. So this could be our entry point. Again, see, symmetrical triangle formation. So whenever there will be symmetrical triangle formation, as mentioned, what do we need to do? We need to wait patiently. And whenever there will be a breakout, we need to execute a trade in that particular direction. Here market gave a breakout in the downward direction, so this will be our position to short the market. So this is the symmetrical triangle pattern. Now this is the ascending triangle pattern. See, went up, market could not break the resistance, straight line. It's a straight line, but market is also making lower highs. And as a result, at one point of time, market did break out, and this is the perfect entry point. And our stop loss will be here. Also, you can place your stop loss here. Ascending triangle. See, this is a flat resistance. Market was making higher lows, higher low, higher low, higher low, and boom. See, market gave a breakout. So where will be the entry? The entry will be around here, and after that we see a uptrend in the market. So this is how you need to spot the ascending triangle pattern and execute the trade. Descending triangle chart pattern is just the opposite of ascending triangle pattern. I have already mentioned. Flat support, then market will give us a lower lows, and you just need to draw a line and check whether it is a descending triangle pattern or not. See, downtrend, descending triangle formation, flat support, boom, downtrend continues. This is the entry point. So this is the triangle pattern, and in the beginning you just need to master this 3 triangle pattern, and this 3 triangle pattern will be sufficient. Hopefully you all have understood. Thank you so much.